everyone, my name is Luke Aberley. Welcome back to Luke's U, and today we have a super exciting video. We're actually going to be doing an unboxing today, and it's kind of related to the last unboxing slash review we did of a keyboard and mouse. And this is actually another keyboard and mouse combo, but one a little bit more targeted towards creators like myself. And as you guys can tell, I am starting to move into my new office space now. We got a new desk. I think it looks really good. This is going to you can kind of see it evolve and stuff and grow up and everything, but yeah, this is kind of it. There might be a little bit of echo right now, but I'm working on a few of those things. But yeah, this video is gonna be super exciting. One of my dream videos actually is to do a office tour of this once this is complete and stuff. So yeah, it's turning out really good though. We got a new desk yesterday, got the keyboard and mouse, the monitor, everything is all laid out nice. So yeah, now the unboxing of the products that we're gonna be doing today is these two items. So we're gonna be doing one on the Logitech MX Master 3 and on the Logitech MX keys. So quick little, little overview or kind of backstory of these is the MX keys was, I think, actually the replacement for the MX Craft keyboard, which had a little scroll wheel over on the top here, and that's super cool. So this is a keyboard that is super exciting. It's built really well, and yeah, it's more targeted towards people like myself who create YouTube videos, or they're a bit more creative, but it's really for anyone. But yeah, that's what they're targeting more. And then the second thing, which is the MX Master 3. Now, the MX Master 3 is actually super cool because I love the MX Master series, because my mouse over here, which is this one, is called the MX Master 2S. And so I'm a huge fan of the MX Master lineup, and this mouse has been super awesome for video editing and stuff. It's super quick now. And yeah, I just clicked on my thing. But it's super cool because it has this little scroll wheel over here on the side. So try to get that. So what that's great for is when you're in a timeline, you can just quickly scrub through, go along and everything, and you can program these buttons to how you want them. One of my favorite features about this though too is this thing. So it's called their switching technology. I forget what it's called. But what you can do is you can have 3 different devices programmed into this mouse, and with a push of a button, you just push a button and boom, it switches to that device without having to go into Bluetooth or have to hook up another mouse or plug in a mouse just to hook up Bluetooth so you can hook up your mouse. And it's not very seamless. It takes a few minutes to just switch between this. Literally, boop, push a button, and you're all ready to go. So this is really handy because I have this hooked up to my iMac upstairs, which I use for schoolwork and stuff. I have this hooked up, and then I also have one hooked up to my MacBook and one hooked up to my iPad, which I have a new feature or a new update that they came out with where it will let you hook up a mouse. So that's super cool. So 3 devices works perfect. And also my keyboard that I'm using right now, I actually did a review on that's coming in a vlog or has already come out. And this keyboard's super cool. It's a bit more travel-like, but it's still super cool. And the reason why I got this thing too is because it switches between 3 different devices as well, which is super, super awesome. But yeah, that's kind of a bit of backstory of Logitech. I have lots of Logitech products. They're one of my favorite tech companies. My speakers over here, these ones, and that one, I don't know if you guys can see. Those are also Logitech. My webcam, which is right here because I'm still getting that set up, it's also by Logitech. So Logitech is one of my favorite tech companies. I just think their products are simple and sleek, and they're just really awesome. Enough chattering, enough talking. Let's get into the unboxing now. We're going to switch into overhead mode. Let's go. Okay, so here we are on the overhead display. I hope this looks pretty good. This is the cool thing about this desk too, is has a nice little background. It's great for unboxings. So let's get into it. I'm going to start off with the keyboard first, and then go over and do the mouse. So let's aside real quick. I actually have some scissors or a knife. Last time I had to cut and go get one, but let's do this. So unbox this part. This over. Actually, we're gonna zoom in a little bit. There we go. One of my favorite things about Logitech actually too is their packaging. Look at that. Look how sleek that was. The MX Logitech. Put that box to the side quick. Okay. Da da da. Actually, let's zoom out quick. Da da da. Look at this. So they actually have like a little instruction manual built into the box. It's kind of making instruction manuals a little bit better. So look at that. That is super cool. Okay, so let's take this thing out of the box. This has some really good weight to it. That's what I find with lots of Logitech products is even like my other keyboard just doesn't feel like they have a nice heft to it. So, oh yeah. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Doesn't that looks super cool, doesn't it? So, feels great. And it actually has backlighting on the back of it as well. And it also has, if we look, pretty sure that's 3 programmable buttons for your like laptop and your phone or Mac, I don't know, but that's what they can all connect to. So if you have multiple computers, like your home computer and your work computer, you can easily switch between those without having to buy 2 separate computers or messing around with the finicky Bluetooth. So yeah, also favorite thing about this thing, look at it charges. So I'm just gonna zoom out. It charges by USB-C, which is like my favorite thing. Everything's moving towards USB-C, so that is nice to see. The one thing with the MX Master 2S, my other mouse, opposed to the MX Master 3 real quick, is the MX Master 2S charges by micro USB, and the MX Master 3 charges by USB-C. So it's nice that everything's starting to go to USB-C, which it just makes it easier for charging, so you don't have to bring around a whole bunch of different cords. But I really like the little grooves in the keys here. It has a full keypad, so it has this up here, but it also has the one on the side here. And typing on it, this is kind of what it sounds like. That's kind of what it sounds like. I don't know if the microphone picked that up too much, but it sounds really, really good. I love the feel of it. I love how quiet, without being too quiet, it feels like. I love how it has this little bar thing here. I think that's where the battery is as well, but it makes it propped up so it's not just flat on the ground. And oh yeah, that feels great. This is like my favorite keyboard. By the way, in case you guys want this is the MX keys by Logitech. I'll have links in the description down below, like always. And yeah, by the way, they are affiliate links, but it does help out the channel and while still helping you find your product. So this is super cool. Let's just move this to the side real quick. And it's a nice big keyboard as well, which is great. So this is kind of like your instruction manual too. That's great. Easy switch. That's what it's called, easy switch. And then you also have all your things so you can get started. And I think pull this out. And I think we open it up. This side, we actually didn't even use the scissors today, or at least for the keyboard. So, oh yes, oops, that popped. So it still comes with your normal instruction manual and everything. And even, look at the MX keys is literally partnered, it literally shows in the pictures, partnered with the MX Master 3, which is super awesome. That's why I'm doing this combo video, because they just go together so well. This is your USB-C cable. It is a good length without having to coil it. I love that it has this little thing to wrap it around, but at least, look, it's a great distance. I think this is like, this would be like 4 feet, 3 feet, something like that. It's a good length, because you don't need too long, or else you have to coil it up and it takes forever. Normally just going to probably plug this into the back of your computer or into a cord, and you don't need something crazy long. So that is very nice. They put a good length. And I think that is it for the unboxing for this. I am super happy with what Logitech did with the MX keys. It's such a great product. I'm really happy with it. Put this box to the side, put all this. But yeah, again, if you're looking for a great keyboard that is great if you're a creative or photographer or videographer, filmmaker, whatever you are, or graphic designer, and you need a keyboard that is good, has good battery life, can switch between devices, and it just has so many features that you're gonna love, and the keys feel great, and they're sleek, and it's simple. There's so many great things about this keyboard. I highly recommend this keyboard. The nice thing too is if you do actually, I just noticed this, if you do actually have a like Mac or PC, you don't have to figure out which one is it. Look at, you also have the 2 different keys for Mac and PC. So I have Command and Alt. So if you're switching between, you're like, oh, I'm on my Mac right now, and it only has Windows keys, which one is it again? You have to search it up and everything. So that's very nice to see if you're switching between different OSs. Okay, let's put this keyboard to the side. I'm very happy with that. I love what Logitech did with that. Now, let's pull over the mouse right here. So this is the MX Master 3. Now this is a super cool mouse. And one of the things I really love about it, that I think they put on this one because it says mag speed, is if you go over to my MX Master 2S, it has this cool feature that if you're like scrolling like normal, it's like, if you like scrolling like normal like this, it's great. But if you go super fast, listen to it. It just spins freely. And you can also, if you want it to spin freely, you can just press this button here, and it can spin freely. Or if you want grooves, it can do that. And if you spin really fast, it'll spin freely. So that is one of my favorite features about this. Super cool. Okay, let's see now what this mouse has to offer. So we're gonna open that up. Boom. Oh, look at, so the packaging is similar to the MX keys. Look at the packaging, how the box is. It says MX Logitech, and this one said MX Logitech. So you can kind of see that these are going to be a great combo together if you have these side by side. So let's open this house up. Oh, this is great presentation. Okay, so let's see here. Oh, so this is, oh, okay. So this feels different than my mouse. If we do a comparison, that's what they look like side by side. So that actually looks they look different while still being similar. Like the button is in the same place, the scroll wheels. This one's a bit straighter over here, but it still says Logi over on these sides, and it still has the scroll wheels. Okay, so yeah, in the hand, this thing feels way different. It kind of actually feels a bit better, I would say, than that one. I find it a little bit, just a little bit tilted a bit more, and I really like that. Clicking feels good. Oh, so the scrolling is different. So that's not free. That's what that one, so this is what this one sounds like. Can't even hear it. This is what this one sounds like. So it is a bit noisier. So it feels different too. I like that. Yeah, that's good. And I think because I need to charge it, then I think it'll do that special thing where, oh, I think I turned it on. Wait, no. Oh yeah, so this button, it's super silent. That's super silent. So you press that button just like that one, or go freely, it'll go freely. But if it's not, it'll have grooves in it still. But that's super quiet. Feels great too. So it has the little buttons on the side. This still has your scroll wheel. This one's a bit bigger actually, kind of like that the buttons on this one, they're all kind of jumbled together a bit more, so you kind of bump them a bit more. This is a bit not so jumbled, so see, you actually have to, without accidentally pressing it. The buttons, look, still has your programmable 3 buttons, just like that. And yeah, it feels great. Actually, this one is better for hard surfaces if you don't have a mouse pad, because listen, doesn't sound as noisy. And this one has like these little bumper, like a bit more rubbery on the bottom, but this one's noisier like this. So that is a very nice thing. This mouse feels good. It has a bit more of like, it's a bit more slippery. This mouse, it's not super smooth, but this one has a bit more grooves on the side and just has a bit more grip, I find. This is a very neat mouse. And one of the important things is, or one of my favorite things, if that focus, has USB-C. So that's what the USB-C is. So if you have your MX keys and your MX Master 3, you don't have to worry about having different cables at all. But this one, if you zoom in, That's what that one looks like. So that's micro USB. That's not a huge deal breaker, but it is just nice if you say have USB-C products already. My MacBook's USB-C. The keyboard's USB-C and the mouse is USB-C, and some other products like my iPad is USB-C. And it's just, if there's lots of USB-C products, it makes everything a lot easier. But yeah, and then I think finish the unboxing here. So I think let's see, it's like that. I think we pull this out. Oh yeah, so here is the little adapter right here. There it is. That plugs into your, like, if you don't have Bluetooth or whatever, that just plugs into your like computer or whatever. Cool. And this is the cable. It looks literally identical. That's nice. You don't have to. So if you honestly just if you were taking these keyboards, or if you need different cables, you don't need different USB-C cables. They're not like programmed for each other. Look at, they're like the same. So yeah, and this Velcro thing I really like actually, because you can, instead of like coiling it and using rubber bands, super nice. But yeah, but that is what that looks like. Cool, let's go back to face mode. Look and talk at the camera and we'll end this video. Okay, that was super cool. I am super impressed with how the keyboard and the mouse all turned out. Like, just look at how great this keyboard looks. It looks professional, feels good, it looks good, it programs good, it's functional, and it has great features that just make your life a little bit easier and also you a bit more productive, not slow you down so much. And the mouse is so awesome. Like, look at this. It's even lighter, I find. Or it is significantly lighter than that mouse. So if you do actually take this on the go with you, it is a bit easier to do that. And it's always super fast and reliable and everything. I've never had any problem with my MX Master 2S, so I highly recommend getting these, and these are great upgrades. So yeah, if you guys are looking for a great combo, highly recommend these two. There'll be links in the description down below. And yeah, so I think that is it for now, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the new set that we're in now. More videos are going to be here in the new studio. So yeah, so that's it for now, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.